Okay guys, take a look at this. I'm going to show you guys how I made this muffin cupcake. No flour, no sugar needed. If you're interested, watch to the end and help me to share. So I am starting off by mashing 2 banana. I'm going to mash it up until it becomes smooth like this. You can also use your blender to achieve this. Next, I'm going to be adding 3 raw eggs, and then I'll add vanilla flavor, which is totally optional. I went in with yogurt, fat-free yogurt. Then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Today's special hug goes to Mercy26, watching me from Zambia. Mercy, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. Next, guys, I added 2 cups of oats on it. I grinded the oats and then mix it up nicely. I almost forgot to add baking powder, so I went in 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix it up nicely. At this point, you can add your sugar or your dates. But for this particular one, I am baking it for someone and he said he doesn't want sugar or dates on it. So this is the texture we want to see. Mix it up until it looks like this. Then I'll set it aside. I'll transfer it into this plastic foil before I start putting it in the cupcake foil. Reason because I want this to be neat as I am baking it for someone. So once I'm done transferring it, next I'm just going to use my scissors to cut off the mouth of the plastic foil, and then I'll start putting the mixture into my cupcake shape. Now tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I'm going to send you a hug. And if you find this video interesting, guys, please help me to share this video. So I will gently squeeze the mixture into the cupcake pan until I am done. You can also use your spoon to achieve this. Once I'm done, I'm going to be placing blueberries on top of it like this. Now tell me, does this right here look like something you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. Once I'm done placing it, I'll use my fingers to push it into the mixture gently, and then that is it. I'm going to bake it in the oven for 200 degrees for 20 minutes. So guys, once I'm done pushing it in like this, I'm just going to pat it a little bit and then put it in the oven and bake. Guys, take a look at this. This is wonderful. No sugar, no flour needed. Who say you will not eat healthy this 2025? It came out nice. I was not expecting it to be like this. Just take a look at this. It really came out nice, guys. The texture, the mixture, no different with the cupcake you normally buy in the shop. The taste was really good as the clients don't want sugar on it. It tastes perfectly okay. Now tell me, are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.